Hi and welcome back for a new video. Today is a very special day because this guy is back on the bike as well. So the doctor told you can ride a dirt bike, but when you're walking you have to wear a boot.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
I need like an extra week just in case. Extra 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna head out to the desert, just ride a little. I'm riding as well, so I'm happy. Excited. We made it out here in the desert and it's like 105 degrees. I'm about to die. Yeah, but we're gonna ride some dirt bikes. And we have pretty good moisture in the dirt here today too. It's gonna be a pretty good grip, I'm pretty sure.
Go do the helmet drop.
You gonna? Nah.
I haven't been worn.
Nah.
Got to.
Okay, let's go. It's not my helmet. You can do whatever you want. That high up?
Wasn't that high up. Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of dust. Hot out here, bro.
Look at this fucking guy.
Fucking hot out here.
It looks so factory.
Almost to be factory out here.
Yeah. Geared up, ready to ride. Mr. Sleeveless over here, ready to go. He disappeared. Yeah, he's so ready. Redneck Scream. Just did a little bolt check on Kian's mod bike. Yeah, I just built this thing, so yeah, he rode a little. I just checked over the bolts, everything feels tight. So now I'm gonna do some laps on this thing too, because yeah, I want to try it out. How are you feeling, Kian?
Hurting a little bit.
Hurting?
A little bit.
A little bit. Do TikTok make it better?
Nah.
No.
Still hurts.
Okay. So now I'm on the 250. The 450 was hard to ride. This guy, he likes his setup very weird for me.
It's tall.
His handlebars are super tall. I hate that. And then his rear shock is really low. So it's really hard to turn the bike. And the shock is soft, so it's like bottoming through. So it feels like the bike is like a shopper. Super tall handlebars, he's tall in the front, stock or stiff forks. Yeah. And now I'm gonna test the 250. I think we need to check the sag on the 450 because the sag on this thing feels better.
Alright.
Just gonna fix my factory chest protector.
And I can't really fucking do shit without being able to put weight on this.
I mean, you came out of the cast today, so
yeah,
it's no weird. You're not racing until like 2 weeks, Mammoth.
A week.
Okay, 1 week. Then you have 1 week. You can walk on the foot. You can get some strength in it.
Yeah.
You can peel off the dead skin. All that stuff.
Yeah. Take another shower when I get home.
No showers.
Why the fuck not?
I didn't think you would shower. You never showered.
Yes, I do.
You never showered before.
Yes, I have.
No.
Why are you lying?
When we were in Hangtown, you didn't shower for fucking 4 days, and you rode 2.
I showered once.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm just fucking with you. Got oil in it. That's good. Going out to spin some laps on the 250, and I'm super excited since this is Kian's mod bike and got all the good parts on it. And if you want to know exactly what's on this motorcycle, I made a TikTok video, so you can go and watch that. But this bike is pretty much exactly the same as what the pro guys at MRP SBR uses. And yeah, start with the engine. The engine is really good on this thing. I could go through these tight corners, sometimes in third gear, and just pop the clutch a little and the bike is pulled, which is very rare on a 250. Yeah, the track is really dry, it doesn't really have much resistance in the dirt, but still you could really feel that power. And on a long straightaways, the bike just kept revving, kept pulling, which is really impressive. What I didn't like about the bike is, yeah, Kian's handlebars, like we mentioned earlier in this video, and he runs his sag really low, which made me to, yeah, you didn't have much front end traction or front end feel. The front wheel just wanted to slide around pretty much, and you can see it pretty good out of this corner here. My front wheel wants to slide away, so I feel like a higher sag would help Kian quite a lot and would help me have a better feeling on this bike. And then for it to fit me even better, I would have lower handlebars. But yeah, it's Kian's bike. And a different thing I feel like could be an improvement on this bike is having triple clamps, so you can move the handlebar mounts forward, because the mounts, yeah, you only have one hole in the triple clamp, so the mounts are pretty far back. So for me that is a taller rider as well as Kian, I feel like it would be a benefit to have a triple clamp so you can move the bar mounts forward a little, and that would also help with the front wheel traction since you get more weight on the front wheel. But yeah, overall engine package on this thing is amazing. Suspension and chassis, I would change some stuff, but yeah, overall a really good bike, and I feel like with, yeah, some changes I could be really comfortable on this bike as well. I don't know, gonna destroy his bike more. We've got to race this thing this week. We're not this week and next week. Fuck. This track is scary. Like all those edges, and it's like rock hard and stones. The bike is bouncing from side to side. You don't know what the bike is gonna do. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Cool to try Husky as well. I almost factory Husky, not really, but almost. As good as you can get it with your own money. And it's the next day, and I cleaned all the bikes, got everything ready, and now we, yeah, have loaded everything up. Got a lot of stuff in here, so don't smoke and drive in this van. But yeah, we're going up to Mammoth. Gonna be up there for a week before Kian races, so he get used to the elevation. And yeah, I just got told that that I can sign up in the pro class, so I don't know, I may be racing, maybe not. I don't think so, but maybe I want to, but also no. Yeah, we'll find out. Okay peeps, we're ready for Mammoth. Got a lot of shit in here, a lot of race fuel, enough race fuel to explode the whole fucking city, but it's very nice. Got a lot of tires as well, got oils. Now we have a bunch of bikes and yeah, more fuel. Let's go.